August 28th, 2024. I accidentally pressed the button down for try zoom out. You know, I was about halfway through that video. That's all right. I was going to try push this guys in the air. So I'll go do that on this video. The dark gloves. So let's see here. Let me cut around. I just didn't cut the grass today, so they're pretty happy. They're actually like these guys is the main guys. I want to go up. Waving them in the air. Look at that. We got some birds in the sky. Let me wave them. Let me wave them. Let me wave. That's it. Got everybody out. They even got Jace's bird up. Everybody's in the sky, baby. Look at this. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about, boys. Look at this. Can't even get them all right now. Look at that. Birds everywhere. Birds everywhere, baby. Look at that. Go, 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 go. Jace's bird. Marshall. First time up. Look at that, baby. Vertical. Birds everywhere. Started with 32. We're gonna see. Oh, look at that one. That one is coming. Yes, that's Scarface, baby. Right here, Scarface, baby. Yes. Oh, yes. So I'm talking about we need birds in the sky. Finally. 1 week from now, we're gonna do our road work with our young birds. Finally getting them for fly. Look at this, and it's 5 in the afternoon, late. But I have to cut grass, water the cows, Jason's basketball practice. But I had faith I could get them up. So, yes. Look at that white. Scarface, baby. First time in the sky. First time in the sky, baby. Look at that. Awesome. We even got Marshall up for the first time. Look at that. Birds everywhere. Yeah, hard time for this side. Where for shoot? Right there, Scarface, baby. Look at that. Awesome. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Little bit of kidding action, I see. Little bit from those guys on the outskirts. That's real good. Look at that. It's on that driftway on that side. Awesome. This is good flying. Real good flying. That's what I'm talking about. Like I said, I changed their feed. Can be a little bit, push them a little harder now. I know they love the loft. Look at that bird. Still got birds in the sky. Look at that one. Oh, one more decided to take off. Look at that. Beautiful pied. Look at that. Look like Scarface landed too already. Look at that. Beautiful. Is that blue bar? Nice. That blue bar is flying. I have my doubts on that blue bar. Let's do it. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Those guys are kidding up a little bit. They're really flying today. Just right, it was drizzling earlier, but it's nice and overcast. Look at that. This video gonna come to an end soon. Hopefully I can get a little bit more aerials though. Look at that. Got birds everywhere though yet. Birds everywhere. Look at that. Yes. Boom. So the dark lost Big Island of Hawaii. Oh, yeah.